Hello everybody, how are you guys today? Today I have a one shop haul for you guys, and this is from Hurricane Randi. It was part of one of the sales. I think it was her birthday, and I don't know if it was PVC or Planner Addicts or I'm terrible, right? Okay, so it comes in this little envelope here. And I got tons of freebies. Let's get my invoice out. It's the only thing that's like killing me. They don't show the discount codes on the invoices anymore. So you really just don't know. So this is going to go in the trash. Alright, and as you can see, I got a ton of extras. So we're going to jump into the extras first. It was the monthly Planner Madness sale, May. So here is Hurricane Randi's freebie. So cute. Definitely Independence Day themed. And then we got from Nana Sticky Stickers some little pandas, little birthday pandas. And I guess it's a rabbit. It's the only rabbit on there. And then from PS Sticker Co. we got some cupcakes with candles, and it says happy birthday and hello cupcake. And then from Cupcakes and Stickies, these little birthday, like these are half scallop boxes, like half circles, and then we got some of her little characters and then the happy birthdays, and these are hand drawn by her. If you want a PR code for Cupcakes and Stickies, head over to Leslie's channel. What is her channel called? I can't think. I'll link it down below. She's part of the Plan With Me design group. And Run with Craft Scissors is her channel name, and her name is Leslie. And she, as far as I remember, PRs for Cupcakes and Stickies. And this contraption with some freebies. This is from Serene Planning on Etsy. And we got a little sloth die cut, a little happy birthday sampler. This was for Hurricane Randi's birthday. And then she sent this large half sheet sampler with 4 full boxes and some functional stuff. So that was very, very nice. I wasn't expecting that stuff at all. So when I got the package and I had all the extras in it, I was like, what is this for? So happy birthday, Randi, if you're watching this. So what I ordered from Hurricane Randi was her picnic kit, and it goes with this freebie. So we've got this first sheet, which is full boxes, and we have the double box, marble headers and little things, full heart checklist, the marble bottom washi and little quarter labels, half boxes, weekly boxes, weekend banner flags, and appointment labels, and date covers, habit trackers, bill dues, washi, icons, and all that stuff. So that's all I got from Hurricane Randi for the MPM sale. This will be used in July, obviously. I mean, well, I guess I could use it for Labor Day, but I'm using it for the 4th. And the way that the planner is set up, it kind of lends itself to having 2 weeks of red, white, and blue, which I love 4th of July, so I'm all for like more red, white, and blue. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me, subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.